So today we're going to have a go at making our own ice cream. Doesn't sound like it's scientific, but bear with me because it is. So all you need is a big Ziploc bag, two smaller Ziploc bags. You probably could do them being a little bit bigger than this, but this is all I've got, so we're going to have to work with it. And you then need some milk or some cream. You need some ice, salt, and then any toppings or flavourings you want to include with it. Then we're ready to go. So measure out 1 cup of milk or cream and put that into one of your smaller Ziploc bags. Go. Then I'm going to add a little bit of vanilla essence and some chocolate chips. If I'm using milk, I tend to add a little bit of sugar at this point. If you're using cream, you probably won't need to. But I'll add a tiny bit of sugar, about a teaspoon, and then we're ready to go. Close your Ziploc bag. Be very careful to make sure it's completely closed. You will need to get most of the air out, not all of it. The mixture does actually need some of the air when it's turning into ice cream, but get rid of most of the air from your bag. And then you need to double bag it. This just makes sure that you don't get any of your ice cream leaking into the ice. So double bag it. Make sure that one is also closed, completely closed. And then we need to make our bag of ice. So I've filled this bag kind of about halfway with ice, and I have got half a cup of salt. When you mix the salt with the ice, it reduces the freezing point of the ice. So normally ice will be 0 degrees, but when you mix it with salt, it lowers that freezing point, so it gets really, really cold. When you're shaking it, you will need gloves or a tea towel or something because the bag gets very, very cold in your hands. So put your salt into the ice, then add your bag and close that one up, and then we are ready to shake. Shake for between 5 and 10 minutes, but it does have to be quite vigorous shaking, so do make sure you give it a good shake. Close that one up, and then we are ready to get shaking. So, give it a shake. So I have shaken for 5, and I've also left it sitting in that ice for 5 minutes as well. What needs to happen is that the tiny molecules between all of the fat droplets which are in the milk or the cream, they then start to freeze. So they turn into ice, which then makes your ice cream. So I have got my bag here. I've got that out. And my ice cream is inside, and you can see it's kind of the texture of the soft serve Mr. Whippy ice cream. So I've got my bowl and I'll scoop it out. You can eat it straight away, or you can pop it in the freezer for it to chill even further and save it for later. It is totally up to you. I've got my chocolate chips in there as well, if you can see those. Nearly all out. There we go. So that is my ice cream in a bag. Give it a go and let me know how you get on. I'd love to see your pictures. Enjoy!